In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily download and install HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Chrome. So, how? Navigate here at the button search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Double tap to continue, and in a few seconds, you would be navigated to the browser itself. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here. So expand it first so that you can see it clearly. And you need to wait until a search bar would be available here at the center before we proceed, okay? Once it's here, please type for HP space this one, HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver. Let me just edit this first. Okay, so HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver. Again, it is HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver, and then hit the enter key, and in that way you would be navigated to the result. Okay, so let me just edit this one since it's not actually the one that we have clicked. So we just have to edit this. No worries for that. This jet 2131. Okay, and hit the enter key. In that way you would be navigated to the result. So please proceed to the first result, which is under support at hp.com. Click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to the page itself where you can see the printer driver. So all you need to do is you need to wait again until it would be set for you. Once set, please scroll down on the list. Anyway, it will automatically detect operating system, then good. Then we just have to navigate that here on the list. Okay, and please look for this one where you can see this one. Okay, so installation software product, installation software and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality. So click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once you have downloaded it, copy and move it to the desktop. So it would be placed here. So double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So all you need to do is you need to proceed to it and go with extract to, and kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted. Once extracted, a new file folder. If it's taking some time, you can manually check it to the File Explorer, click on it, and proceed directly to the desktop where you can manually check the extracted file. So here you can see that. So by that, close the window and proceed directly to the start icon, make a right click and click on the settings. So the settings window is a very important window because this is where we gonna install our printer driver. So we just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed to the installation. Once you're here, please navigate to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it and please choose for printers and scanners. Now here at the printers and scanners, you can get an option where you can add a device. Click on it, and from here, wait until you can get also the option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, and all you need to do is you need to navigate for the fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port and click on next and go with Have Disk. And since our extracted file is at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. So click on Net to the desktop and scroll down on the list and proceed to the extracted file. Double tap to it and it will show you different driver. Just select any of this all drivers function similarly. So no worries for that. Click on OK and it would be placed here. Click on Next. So you may wonder why it placed here 2130 instead of 2131. So 2130 works well for 2131 as well. Okay, so these are entirely the same. So no worries for that. Click on next and that way you can now start the installation. So all you need to do is you need to wait until this installation process would be completed. Okay, so once done, click on next. And all you need to do is you need to click on finished. And in that way, you have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 2131 series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Super thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.